that time of year again. I'm in Santa Clarita finishing up a job, and I'm going to show you what I did. You might be familiar with this house if you've been watching my videos for a while. This is the tree. It's a white flocked tree. And then I did the table. All glassed trees and the wire, whatever you want to call it. That's good. I guess that's a wire. And I used garland. This is a pine garland with boxwood. The boxwood is from Save on Crafts. And then we got some bulbs and flowers, artificial flowers in there. And 2 strands of lit lights, little lights, and some little glittered pine cones, if you want to call them that. And then she's got a couple lit Christmas trees over here, and we did the garland up top with bows and deco mesh. And this back buffet table, it's one of our favorite things here. It's flocked little pine trees and some wood snowflakes with pine and some picks from Hobby Lobby, pine cones, and more lights. You can see how they are. They're just kind of layered in here. I put the 3 trees, and then, oh yeah, this right here, I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's a tree topper, but I just thought it fit really well in here since we've got a snowflake theme going on. Back over the table over here. It's all about layering. And we're gonna put some candles here, some lit candles. She's coming home with that. But I just wanted to show you while I had a chance. There's nobody here. And these got some huge bulbs at the bottom. I started out with this beaded garland right here. This was from Dillard's. She had like at least 6 strands, and I kind of swirled them in like that, like it's snowing, kind of swirled it in. So you can see, I just, instead of going around the tree this year, I kind of swirled it as if it was like a snowdrift. And the maintenance guy's out getting the yard blowing, making a lot of noise. Then we just started, after we did that, we started adding, I did add some little bows, and it's like here, this ribbon really set off the tree. That ribbon right there, it's really sparkly. And I did take some deco mesh, like this deco mesh here, and I kind of swirled it along with the ribbon in different places. Then started adding the bulbs with the larger ones first. See the larger bulbs? Put those in. Then went up to the next size up, and then the smaller ones, and just started hanging them until we had them all hung. And then I poked in these flowers. These are like, they feel kind of like leather, but we have gotten more use out of these things. They look great. So, and then we had a box of these rose gold bulbs, and we cluster them together, and they can actually sit on the branches. They look pretty cool like that. So we just layer on all this stuff, and you get an amazing tree. Somebody said there was something out of, looked like something out of Neiman Marcus. Now this was a wicker star with another flower at the top as our topper. Now on the banister, I did 2 pine garlands. I started at the top, wired it in, not wired it because I don't want to scratch anything. I used tulle at the top and down at the bottom. And then I did another, make sure I left enough for this part here, the tail. And then I took the boxwood and kind of wrapped it along with it. Same with the deco mesh. And then filled in with these picks. These were actually stems from Hobby Lobby. And I bent them back and just kind of stuck them in layers. And then added the mesh and more bows. Actually, they weren't total full bows, but this one is a full bow right here. Then we took these bulbs and added it in as well as these gorgeous pine cones. You just kind of layer things in, and I wrapped this ribbon tail around my hand and just kind of let it come and curl like a ringlet. Okay, now you stand back and look at the room. Then we have garland like this in the other room as well. And in this room here, we didn't do a whole lot. I did garland up here with the nutcrackers layered on, same thing. A couple nutcrackers and her little berry pine trees. We kind of tried to keep everything as mauve colored and not doing a lot of red. Little detailed accents goes a long way. And then we took, this is really cute, the glass top with a little Christmas tree in the house in there. And in here, I did the fireplace garland, and you used command hooks to wire things up. If you can see the command hook back there, I wired pine and then the boxwood. The boxwood just really sets it off. So we did the boxwood, and then I stuck in those frosted snow ones are all picks. Now this pine, the wreath does, or the garland does have pine cones built in, but once I got them all hung, I added the deco mesh and then started adding bulbs like that. She wanted it hanging just like the stairway was. And then this is her table, coffee table centerpiece kind of, and then we just did a little accent tree over here in the corner. But that's it, guys. Been doing this for 3 days. It's a lot of work, but it turned out gorgeous, and she is ready for her Christmas party. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Be inspired and try this on your own. It's a lot of fun. Bye-bye.